May Chahi Aroiba Assembly Monday Tuesday may preparation for the activity. Yego. Adula kaste. Ipa masana pi usasi. Munakara. Nakoy mo. Matan. Koy ni pagkat dokata. Ang board pagkat mo. Class 9, Junior 9, ke kaga बताऊंगा जिंदगी न कोई आनंद न कोई कपड़ों पीनेगा कोई कपड़ा लगाने कोई कपड़ा लगाएगा लोग ये पैसा का खाई लोगों को बहुत समय के लोगों को मजा ना कर लोग हैं गिरीशन को मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ
Close your eyes, bow your head, and let's sing our first prayer. Start. We love our school. We love our teachers. You are the guardian. You are the protector. Let's pray to the ever-living flower school. Let's pray to the ever-living flower school. You are the shining storehouse of knowledge. Give us a mother, glorious sister. You are the shining storehouse of knowledge. Give us a mother, glorious sister. Resurrect children to bright future for an eternal victory in our life. Let's pray to the ever-living flower school. Let's pray to the ever-living flower school. Oh, come on, brothers. Oh, come on, sisters. Let's join our hands and cooperate to accomplish our aspiration. To accomplish our aspiration. And make everyone admire our school. And make everyone admire our school. We love our school. We love our teachers. You are the guardian. You are